Umintri rangba kajala konrad ke sangma mentakasngi ulabu yo maunong rim ying jong Reverend Father Joseph Bacciarello Annex building St. Anthony's College Shillong. Hashwa jongkani provincial jongka Shillong province Father Paul Olinkot ulabu jingdwai na kabenta kajing Shna Iaka kajaka pule bat penbot kajing gerkhu yo maunong rim ying. Hakani kedwai kapirat la yo ru ikajing pule nagaktin ublay. Habakren hakani kajing bo mau nong rim ying umentri rangba ula Kular ban ai shiklur tingka nakaliang jong ka sarkar jela kum kajing start ban pen urlong yakani kajing thmu ukonrat kesangma ula Kular ru ba un persyang ban wanra sa kiwei pat ki scheme na kiwei pat kitana jong ka sarkar pedeng ban pen urlong yakani kajing thmu Habakren kani kasingi Father Paul Olinkot ula ai nam yu Father Bacciarello tangkum missionary jong ka jingis Salesians of Don Bosco Henry kum unong prat lenti hakabaseng babu iki college prepare hakadong sa taylam mingi.
We are going ahead with a project like this, which is so huge, and obviously it's going to be very challenging to raise funds. So therefore, obviously we need to have that faith that we will move forward in this. So I would like to tell brother and Father Joby and also Father Paul that from our side, we are also very happy that as a state government, we also would like to be part of what you're doing and would like to contribute 1 crore to the funds to at least start the building from our side. And of course, we will be working towards trying to get central funds. I have been working on this. I have explained to Brother Albert also last time that there are some challenges we are facing because center is funding more of government schools more now, and so therefore non-government schools are secondary on their list, and therefore we are facing challenge. But we are trying to see other departments and other ministries apart from the tribal affairs that would be able to help us. I hope that we will be able to raise the funds, and again it's a question of faith, and we should have faith and we should believe that we will be able to move forward in this work and entire process, and I'm sure that we will be able to complete this particular Annex building also at the very earliest.
He was a distinguished educator. He served and founded several educational institutions of excellence and devoted his energy to educate the young through institutions like St. Anthony's School, St. Anthony's College, Don Bosco Technical School Shillong, Don Bosco Lilua, Salesian College Sonada, Don Bosco Bandel, to name a few. He was actively involved in scouting, and the DPI appointed him Scout Commissioner for Shillong. He made an outstanding contribution to the Khasi literature through literary contribution. Kenying Kistan, Usumbai, Kadin Jat Jon Kilongshua, and other scholarly articles.